If you want to build a modern PMO career, stand out as a strategic project professional, and earn a globally recognized certification, you're in the right place. Welcome to the PMI Project Management Office Certified Professional, PMI-PMOCP exam prep course, a complete, practical, and career-focused program designed to help you master today's PMO practices and pass the PMOCP exam with confidence. Across industries, PMOs are becoming more than process centers. They are strategic, value-focused business partners. Companies now expect PMOs to influence decisions, improve performance, and enable organizational success. This course helps you understand that shift and prepares you to lead within it. You'll gain the mindset, tools, and modern PMO capabilities needed to operate at a higher level and bring measurable value to your organization. Throughout this course, you will build strong mastery in the full PMO lifecycle. You'll learn how PMOs connect to strategy, culture, and organizational structure. You'll understand how PMO services enhance performance, governance, and delivery quality. Every concept, model, and framework is explained clearly, with a laser focus on practical application. What you learn here can be used immediately in real PMO environments, regardless of your industry or role. You'll explore the PMO Value Ring framework, a modern, research-based approach to designing PMOs that deliver real organizational value. You'll learn how to identify customer needs, define a powerful value proposition, build targeted services, and operate your PMO with strategic purpose. This framework gives you a structured path for building or improving PMOs at any maturity level. You'll also master the value-generating PMO flywheel, a practical 10-step cycle that shows exactly how PMOs create, deliver, measure, and amplify value. From awareness and needs assessment to service onboarding, operations, monitoring, improvement, and value recognition, you will gain a complete end-to-end understanding of how successful PMOs build momentum and sustain long-term impact. Whether you're a project manager preparing for a transition, a PMO analyst or officer aiming to grow, a PMO leader driving transformation, a consultant supporting strategic initiatives, or a professional preparing for the PMI-PMOCP exam, this course is built for you. It meets you at your current level and guides you toward advanced strategic PMO capability. This course is hands-on and actionable. Complex models are simplified. Frameworks are broken down step by step. You'll see how to apply every concept in real PMO scenarios. You'll also gain access to supporting materials, including templates, examples, and quizzes that help reinforce your learning and make your preparation more effective. The course follows a structured path aligned to the PMI-PMOCP exam requirements. You'll get clear explanations of every domain and competency included in the certification. By the end, you'll feel confident in your understanding and fully prepared for the exam, not just memorizing content, but genuinely mastering the PMO knowledge areas that PMI expects. If you're ready to elevate your skills, if you want to pass the PMI Project Management Office Certified Professional, PMI-PMOCP exam on your first attempt, and if you want to become a PMO professional who delivers clarity, value, and strategic results, then this course is your next step. Enroll now, and let's begin your journey toward PMO excellence, certification success, and a career that truly stands out.